coochie. Come on, that water. You hear me? Don't boy afraid. Don't. Good military green. You know what I'm saying? Let me see that. You see that? See the dope though. I like it. Good detail. We'll get through and snap on it. You scared? Yes, you already know who it is, man. It's your boy Milk, man. I'm back with another one, you feel me? So check this out before we can get into the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button real quick. Go hit that like button, run me up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you watch the whole video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can tell, you know I got my hood wrapped, satin black. The guy who did it did a great job. I can't lie to you, man. Like all the cuts. I'm gonna be real, better than my last wrap. I'm just putting that out there, bro. But today, bro, I'm finishing up the touches, what I'm adding to my car. You know what I'm saying? Then this is the splitter I was telling you guys about that I'm adding on. That will be going on today. Then I'm gonna take my car to the muffler shop with this custom X pipes from Jed. You know what I'm saying? I will drop that in the description below. So just to give y'all a quick update on what the X pipe does, bro. All it does is get a better airflow, give you better airflow overall, bro. I don't know about what's the gains of it, but reading up on it, getting all the information I needed on it, that's all I need, bro. Cause like I think the factory X pipe doesn't give me much airflow, bro. And sometimes I hate the way my car sounds just a little bit, but I'm gonna give you a before and after I sound, bro. Let's stay locked in for the video. Make sure you watch the whole thing, bro. I need my watch hours. I can't lie to you. But it's your boy A-Milk. Stay tuned with it. Let's get it. I dropped the call, man. Just talked to my rap guy. So me and Bray probably gonna get some lunch. You know what I'm saying? What you want, cuz? The boy licked his lips.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I'm gonna turn back on the camera when we get there, tell the destination where we going. But we know we had to stop. Bray looking at the 10 speed right now. We though. Really, the only thing you really want is the inside rear end transmission. Overall, I like the way it look, man. Y'all making me fall in love with Mustang, but I ain't gonna get one. Yeah, baby. You know how I get that Chick-fil-A. He ain't want none, bro. You feel me? Oh well, let's get it. Oh boy, took a little minute, bro. I had to take a nap, son. So it looks good. I gotta put on my splitter. That's gonna bring that thing out for real. So right now I'm finna head back to Dothan and see if they got any opens at the muffler shop so I can put my X pipe on. Alright, bro. But anyway though, bro, I'm about to get ready to take my car to the muffler shop real quick. I'm gonna let you guys hear it like at an idle right now. Get you a before, you know what I'm saying, a little after. Then I'm gonna give a little tap. Hold on. Calm down, future. Calm down, future. Alright, let me get away from these folk high. But I had to do a little tap real quick because I know the X pipe gonna make it sound different. And I know it's gonna be like a better airflow, especially when I'm like really getting on it. I know it's gonna feel different. But performance wise, I don't know what it does, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just here for like better airflow and better noise, like a different noise, different tone in my piping. But other than that, bro, Let's get ready to drop it off real quick. Why you gonna hush now? Huh? Who? Tell them what you got. Tell them what you got, girl. You got a little cat, don't you? Big butt. Big cat. You gotta sit down, man. You gotta sit down, man. Don't hit that butt. What you telling me you got? Big cat. Why? The moment I got it, you feel me? Give me a good price on it, 2 on one side sound. Ooh. I'm be real. Probably sound the same, but to break it down, I just got done talking to the guy. He was like, the factory size, let me give you some light. Try to give you guys some light. The normal factory size that was on there was not the same size as what I really had. And like I was trying to tell y'all, it bottled up my sound, you know what I'm saying? So this one right here is way more bigger, and they had just to do a little bit more extra piping to it. So overall, I'm finna test it out real quick and give y'all a review real fast afterwards, you know what I'm saying? Cause I know a lot of my subscribers, they hit me up on IG, been asking about it. So let's get into it, yo. Overall review on it, you know what I'm saying? Just a little in-depth. It pulls different and it sounds different. It damn so pulls different. You can tell like it got more airflow, you know what I'm saying? It's a bigger piping, you know what I'm saying? But I suggest you get that later on. I wouldn't let that be like a top 5, top 10 thing, especially for the RTs, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm finna put this split on, me, this guy. Then most likely, hopefully, I can show you guys like the whole front of my car, how it looks now with the splitter. Cause we finna be experimenting. So this gonna be the, you know what I'm saying, the new front splitter, you dig? Everything coming together, getting back to the old me, you know. New for sure. I bet y'all couldn't tell. I just really showed y'all, I bet y'all couldn't tell. Alright, next day vibes, you feel me? So I did drop my car across the street just to go get a wash. Just to let you guys get the full effect of how my car really gonna look. But whenever it get done, I'm gonna turn back on the camera, you feel me? So alright, bro, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all go ahead and check it out real quick. All sparked up, babe, looking good, babe, looking clean. Now I'm finna give y'all the full details of the first step of the route, first phase of it. Now, as you can tell, already satin hood, you feel me? And this part got wrapped black, satin black too as well. Then, like I told you, got this wrapped satin black. But overall, bro, oh, they do a good job. Yeah, that's just smart. You hear me? I forgot my brake stuff was blue over there. I forgot about that. I gotta redo that part too. Gotta pull walk around the hood. Can't wait to get my windows retinted, bro. I'm gonna let it dry right here. You know, everybody should already know, but if you got this tire shine on, they're gonna splatter on your car, bro. You just feel me, bro? I like this shit, man. And if you don't know about this look right here, if you don't know that this look right here is like the 2012, like 2014, where like they had a full grill and it was black. If you wrapped it up, that's what look I went for, you know what I'm saying? Check them out. Boy, they did my shit like a showroom flow, boy. I should have seen my car for this. Alright, bro. Dark, but here come my damn tent. They did a good job, boy. I like that, sir. Well, I'm in a video right here, man. Y'all, you tell I'm getting shots in the background right now, you know what I'm saying? I be in my little element when I be out by myself, they chilling. Plus, I be learning how to do different angles, different shots. But one more look around, especially in the sun. Sorry for my shadow. You guys a whole look around of it. You know what I'm saying? I already been getting compliments on it. You feel me? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people say I just should just leave it alone. But it's other comments I've been getting probably right with the hood sat black and the trunk. Like, that's a simple, really, that's just a simple charger look, you know what I'm saying? Then drop in on the cam, you know what I'm saying? Just keep the look like this for a little while, you know? But I don't know just yet, because one flaw about it, you know what I'm saying, you ain't gonna fess up to it, but it's that flaw right there on my bumper. But other than that, bro, I'm loving the look of it. You know what I'm saying? See y'all, this stuff already got back on them, but it look clean. But other than that, bro, that's gonna be the end of the video. You feel me? I hope you guys like the new look that I'm going for right now. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be the end of the video, man. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one right here. I'm trying to make sure I stay consistent for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, it's road to 1K. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the love and support, because I do need those watch hours, though. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Drop your thoughts below. I'm finna get back to working for you guys, man. For myself, too. You know what I'm saying? But I'll holler back at y'all. It's your boy, Mel. I'm out. Yurt.